Gusto niyo ba makapunta ng Japan for free? Eto, may tips ako. Get ready with your passport at tara, kain tayo dito sa Boteju. May ongoing promo sila, Dine in Boteju and Fly to Japan e-raffle promo. Ang premyo, round-trip flight tickets for 2 with 4 days and 3 nights hotel accommodation in Japan. At legit to ha, collaboration nito ng Boteju at All Nippon Airways. Simple lang, for every 2,000 purchase, entitled ka na ng 1 raffle entry. Alam nyo, wala kayong talo dito kasi mabubusog ka na, may chance ka pa ma-fulfill your Japan dreams. And for those who don't know why we love dining here at Boteju, kilala sila for its authentic and traditional Japanese cuisine. At dito mo matitikman ang 20 different kinds of ramen. At if sulit din ang hanap mo, meron silang ramen sets available for dine-in and take-out. At eto pa, mae-enjoy mo ang hot ramen mo anytime you want. Kasi kahit nasa bahay o opisina ka, pwede ka nang umorder ng hot ramen anywhere at anytime in Metro Manila dahil may option na sila for hot box packaging. Nakakatuwa to guys at ang sarap pa. And when you dine here, try nyo na rin ang gastropub section nila. So refreshing ang drinks nila dito. So ayan locals, tara na sa Boteju and good luck!